Welcome to the AI ROI Calculator demo. Start by entering your full name and the email address where you want the report to be sent. Next, describe the process you want to streamline using AI. You can then provide any additional details about the process that might help customize the calculator for you. But if you don't have extra comments, simply type none. After that, input the number of people currently working in the process, including both managers and team members. Next, enter the pay for each member. If individual salaries vary, provide an estimated average. Then, select how the pay is calculated, whether it's hourly, weekly, monthly, or annually. Finally, after completing the CAPTCHA, submit the form. Within 30 to 40 seconds, you'll receive your AI ROI report in the email you provided. If you don't receive it, check your spam folder, and if it's not there, try submitting the form again.